You would have told me 5 years ago I'd be breaking down DeFi and crypto trades after tucking in my children. I would have laughed at you. But here we are. I'm Kevin, a dad, a teacher, and a DeFi investor. And welcome to Dad's DeFi Space, where we use Bitcoin as our foundation, DeFi, SocialFi, and leverage trading as our amplifier. Everything I trade, share, and teach lives on X at CryptoZone 1013 and in my free Telegram group, link in the description. I've been looking at. Now, we just recently built a coin on Clanker. Now, Clanker is a DApp that was built on Farcaster. Right now, you're looking at our Farcaster account, Dad's DeFi Space.base.eth, and go over there, add us. I like to talk about my trades in the Base network mainly. And we deployed a token in seconds over on Clanker that we have shared just recently. It's called Not Financial Advice Bear. There are not very many holders. It's only 2 days old at this point, brand new. But anyone within my community that wants to buy into our meme token, remember, not financial advice. This bear is a risky M. Now, here's the thing. Now, not financial advice bear is this guy. And the bear, he's cool. Chain is base. Go find us over on Telegram. We have a public account. I will add it to the description. And here on Clanker, you can find our token. I'll show it to you. Now, we did a deep dive into Clanker recently. Now, Clanker is a base layer 2 launchpad. And it's really redefining an aspect of what the creator economy is base is all about, right? So this allows people, in a sense, to create any kind of token they want, whether that be a meme, a community token, a DAO, whatever. It gives you a lot of options. And Clanker, in my opinion, hasn't been just trending. It has had a huge surge recently after the integration into Farcaster. So I could see a correction, hence we might be positioning it to a little bit of this one. Not financial advice, of course. And the thing is that this token only has 1 million. The tokenomics look way better than, say, virtuals. Now it's risky. And I think a Clanker, and Zora for that matter, Clanker is like the Pump.fun of base. You get a little bit more options to choose with the tokens you deploy. Now, the meta on Clanker is getting even better because of the relationship it's now sharing. It's what everybody is sharing as far as, it gives creators, communities, and developers the ability to launch coins for followers, for fandoms, for fun, for any kind of project, but without the technical headaches, right? So this is the gist of how Clanker works, or Farcaster bots that can help with research and trading, fee sharing once you create a token, right? And I want to show you some of tokenomic snapshots. So our token, less than 5%, is going to Dad's DeFi Space. Now, half of it's going to be burned as far as the fees. 50% go into a liquidity pool. 1% goes to the platform, and 0.4% goes to me, the creator. Now, what's interesting and what I plan on doing is we have vested 10% of the entire token supply, and we're going to airdrop half of that over Christmas to anyone who purchases the token before the snapshot. Now, the snapshot more than likely is going to be on Christmas Eve, but follow us over on X, check out the Telegram group so you can stay up with that, or just follow us on Base App and Zora, which we're going to talk about in just a minute. Now, what I wanted to do next is pivot, and we're going to take a look. If today's video really hit, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, and share with someone who is still sleeping on crypto and DeFi. For real-time levels, positions, hop into our Telegram, deeper alpha and education, check that out over at Dad's DeFi Space. Support our channel, check out our creator coin on Zora, or ride with us over on Base or Farcaster. Traders, remember, don't forget layer bank deposit bonuses and 15% off your futures if you use our link. If you truly want great community and DeFi structure, check out Crypto Labs Research, Underdog Investment Group, or their Fast Track program. This is where I began my education. Again, find our links below. And remember, Bitcoin is the foundation and DeFi is our amplifier. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.